Good morning to all. I am Nikesh from Mokibel School, Bhagalpur, Bihar. My topic is blood and blood group. Blood. It is tissue, animal tissue known as connective tissue. Landsteiner. Dr. Karl Landsteiner is known as he discovered the blood, and blood is also known as river of life. River of life. Blood is broken into two parts. First is plasma. Second is corpuscles. Plasma, it is viscous in nature, and corpuscle, it is further divided into three parts: RBC, WBC, and platelets. It is also known as erythrocyte, thrombocytes, leukocyte, and thrombocyte. According to modern education, modern knowledge, blood group is of four types: A, B, O, and AB. These three, A, B, and O, these three types of blood groups were discovered by Dr. Karl Landsteiner in 1900. And AB, A. Sturley and D. Castello discovered AB in 1902. In four types of blood group, there are antigen and antibody. Both are present in both four types of blood groups. According to chart, blood group, antigen, antibody, that is A, B, AB, O. In blood group A, antigen small b or beta. In B, capital B and small a or alpha. In AB, that is AB, and in which none. And in O, in which non-antigen and antibody is alpha and beta. This chart shows that in every blood group, AB or either O, the antigen and antibody is essential. These are essential to prove that whenever a donor donates his blood, their antigen and antibodies are diagnosed. Donate and recipient. Blood group A can donate to blood group A and O. blood group B can donate to B and O. And recipient, sorry, AB, and they can receive from A and O. And B and AB. They can donate to B and AB and they receive from B and O. And AB, they can receive only, donate only A, B, AB and O, but only receive from AB. And O, they can donate to AB. O, A, B and O, but only receive from O. That means this AB is universal recipient and O is universal donor. By following chart, we can prove that this chart shows that O can donate to O can donate to B, O can donate to AB, O can donate to A. So O group is universal donor. They can donate every group. That means A group, B group, AB and O. But AB, they can only donate AB and receive from A and O.